I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money, like $1,000 or even $2,000 a day, for simply doing something that's absolutely easy. This is something you can do at home, on your bed, or even whilst walking, or even on the toilet, wherever you are. This is so easy. You can use a phone or a computer. You don't need an expensive device to do this. Just an average phone or an average computer can do this. This is free from all angles, which means that you don't have to pay any money to register. There are no registration fees. It is 100% free. What I love about this is that it's available worldwide, which means that no matter where you are from on this earth, whether you're in America, Australia, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, this is absolutely free and you can do this from all countries, all continents. So what I want you to do is watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part, because I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step procedure which can help you to make money, and I'm going to show you an extra bonus tip which can help you make money even quicker. So before everything, just click the subscribe button, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now, turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be able to watch it immediately. So the website I want to show you today is called MindSumo. MindSumo.com. So MindSumo is basically a platform where big companies like Microsoft, Adidas, Amazon, and so on, they reach out to MindSumo and provide jobs, and they want people like you and I to actually do the jobs for them, and they're going to pay us money. Now, for example, let me show you. Look at the big companies that deal with MindSumo. We have Mercedes-Benz, we have Shell, Delta, Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, Pearson. We have Disney, we have Facebook, Adidas, Caterpillar, Mars, Starbucks, Shell. So many big companies deal with MindSumo. So what you want to do is that we have two options over here. We have I'm a company and we have I'm a problem solver. You want to be a problem solver. You want to click I am a problem solver. So when you click I am a problem solver, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to click on view current challenges. Challenges are basically tasks which you do to make the money. They call them challenges. You want to click on that. Then you want to scroll down and you will see all the available challenges. For example, here $800, they're going to pay you $800, $1,600, $20,000. We have $1,600. We have $4,800. They're going to pay you $500, $800. So there's a lot of money that can be made. Now, before everything, you actually need an account. So what you need to do is you just want to quickly just sign up. It's absolutely free. You can use your Facebook or your Twitter, or you can just use your email address, whichever you desire. So once you have an account, you want to see over here, there's filter challenges by skill. We have business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, humanities and arts. Now, if you're like me and you're not a person that has much knowledge in like engineering and maybe computer science and math and science and humanities and arts, business and so on, I want to give you a tip that you should choose food science, because I'm going to show you an easy method where you can make money, because it's absolutely easy to do and the jobs are fairly easy to do. So I want you to click on food science. So once you're on food science, you're going to see over here, they're going to provide you with all the list of food science jobs that you can actually do. And for example, what new culinary innovation will make cooking at home easier for you? What's your great idea for a new onion or garlic based product? What's your great idea for the future of cold infusions? Can you help us create the snack of the future? What's your idea for a new plant-based food that consumers will love? Propose a high-protein food or snack that is perfect for active consumers. So for example, if we click on this, propose a high-protein food or snack that is perfect for active consumers. So now you might not know this. What you want to do is that you want to copy this propose a high protein food or snack that is active for consumers. So we're going to go onto Quora. So Quora, if you don't know how to get onto Quora, it's Quora.com. When you're on Quora, over here you can type in anything, questions. So we're going to paste the exact question that we got from MindSumo, and we're going to paste it over here. So we have here, propose a high protein food or snack that is perfect for active consumers. So there are different answers. So we just want to click on on any answer that we like. So you want to choose whichever answer you want to click on to have a view. So we clicked on that and we came onto this answer. So somebody says black beans, lima beans, corn, salmon, potatoes, broccoli. We have cauliflower, Chinese cabbage, eggs, beef, chicken breast, oats, tuna, tempeh, spirulina, legumes, hemp seeds, sun-dried tomatoes, guava, artichokes, peas, bison, pork, turkey, chickpeas, quinoa, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, almonds, milk, lentils, pumpkin seeds, avocado, chia seeds, nut butters, halibut, asparagus, watercress, Brussels sprouts, spelt, teff. Okay, so we have an entire list that can be an answer to our question that we received from MindSumo. So what we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to copy all this information. Then we want to go onto a Word document and you want to paste it onto a Word document, which I have already, as you can see over here. So we have the black beans, lima beans, and so on and so forth. So you basically want to check for spelling errors, for example. Just check that everything is correct. Just want to check for a few spelling errors, and then you want to put the title of the work that they've given you over here. Propose a high protein food or snack that is perfect for active consumers. So over here we have a huge list, as you can see. Just check for spelling errors. Then you want to save this document. Then once you've saved this document, all you need to do is you want to go back onto the job and you want to submit it onto MindSumo. Now this is absolutely easy. They'll pay you $1,600 for this. And if you feel like you want to find different jobs, maybe you don't want to deal in that category with food science, of course, you can choose different jobs, maybe in business. So for example, you can see over here, if you click on business, if you're good at business, they're going to provide you with all the available jobs that concern business. Or if you don't like business, you want to do engineering, it's up to you. For example, here we have help us build a patient-centric healthcare app. Well, if you're not good in app development like myself, I don't think you want to do something like that. What type of packaging will be best for our new cooking flavor enhancer? That sounds fun. You can do that. So it just depends on what you're comfortable with. There's so many jobs that you can do. So that's what I want to show you. I hope you find something that you can actually do that's quick to do. I advise you to stick to food science, because food science has basically more of things that have to do with research, which you can quickly do, and you can just use Quora to do it. Go into Quora, type in exactly what you need, get all the information, then put it on a Word document, save it and submit it, and you can make money. So that's what I want to show you today. You can make $1,600 for doing something that is so easy. You can make $800. You can make $800 again, and $500, as you can see here, $500. So I hope this works for you. If you have any questions, just comment them down below in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notifications. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best to you. Cheers.